When had forecasted the formation of a low pressure area over West Central Bay of Bengal on around 10th of October. The system formed on around 10th of October. It got intensified on 11th and it crossed the Andhra Pradesh coast on 13th of October morning as a deep depression. And the system further weakened, and as on today, it's over northern parts of Karnataka, some parts of Telangana, and over adjoining parts of South Maharashtra. So the system is again expected to move west to northwestward, and it's expected to cross over to East Central Arabian Sea, and there is even probability that the system will again intensify and form reach to the stage of a depression. So with these conditions, this is the present and latest satellite image of the system. If we zoom into the locations around Goa, we can see that a lot of cloud formation is there. Thick and dense clouds are coming from Konkan side and as well as from South Maharashtra side. With these conditions prevailing, there are a set of heavy rainfall warning that IMD Goa has issued for the state of Goa. There is probability of rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters in 24 hours, which is termed as extremely heavy rainfall. So the probability of extremely heavy rainfall is there at one or two locations over North and South Goa districts on 14th as well as 15th of October. Then there is probability of very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. Very heavy rainfall can be expected over Goa from 14th to 16th of October. Then onwards, from 17th onwards, the rainfall activity is going to decrease. And as on today, 18th of October does not have any warnings over Goa. With this continued and increased rainfall activity, the regions which are vulnerable for heavy rainfall related disasters, they will have to be extremely cautious. People staying in such areas have to be cautious. The red colored warning is there on 15th of October, and some of the impacts that are expected with this increased rainfall activity are like localized waterlogging or short-time disruption of municipal services, localized mudslides and rock falls. And if the rainfall activity continues for 1 or 2 days, there is even probability of swelling of rivers. There is probability that weak trees may get uprooted also, with the 30 to 40 kilometers winds that are going to be there in these coming days. Now, regarding the fishermen warning, there is going to be squally weather across, along and off the coast of Goa, reaching to a speed of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. That is going to be there from 14th of October onwards. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea from 14th of October onwards from Goa. If we see the detailed map of these warnings, we can see that the warnings are there not just for Goa region, but also for North Konkan region. To the south of Goa, warning is there for Karnataka as well as Kerala coast. So on 14th, there are warning for entire west coast except Gujarat. On 15th, there is warning for the entire west coast. And from 17th onwards, the warning is there for Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat coast. On 17th, again warning is there to the north of Goa and over East Central Arabian Sea. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea or into these areas marked in these images from 14th of October onwards. All the latest information on warnings and forecasts are available on IMD's social media platforms as well as on its website. So it's requested that public be updated with the latest information and warnings issued by IMD during these 2 to 3 days.